Hello, I am Genest and I'm at the Starlight Festival here in Bangalow, and I'm going to deliver a class, a 60-minute practical class today that is combined with Hatha Yoga, basic internal martial arts, somatic movement, and dance combined. What people will expect from this class is a practical movement that will cover not only the physical movement but also the energetic aspects, and to expand their ideas of movement, and that they don't have to always follow something that is too linear but rather explorative and expansive. I'm going to continue to support the Starlight community here in Bangalow, so if you want a taste of what I'm offering, this is a good place to try. And I will be offering classes and workshops in Northern Rivers.